Hey, I'm Rowena from the DIY team, and today I'm going to be showing you how to study for your tests and research using Kids GPT in a safe but fun way. Let's get started and try. How are volcanoes formed? And just like that, Kids GPT responds with clear, insightful, kid-safe answers. You can keep going, asking questions like, how big is the largest volcano? With every answer, you can dive deeper. Read one of our kid-safe articles, or watch along with our educational videos with no ads and no recommendations. You can also create your own images, create a quiz, create revision flashcards. You can even create interactive maps. And all of it can be downloaded so you have it whenever you need it. Learn, discover, and see where your curiosity takes you. All content and AI tools on the DIY platform are filtered, so it's a safe environment and ad-free. Sign up today to get started.